Wagwan guys, Christmas is just around the corner, and can you believe I don't feel like I have any Christmas mood. To do something about it, I'm going to the corner store because I have nowhere to go. I mean, yeah, I need to breeze out. I need to just leave the house. So I put my makeup, I'm gonna brush my hair, put little dress, and I don't care if even if I'm going to the convenience store. I feel like I really need it today. I needed it today, and yeah, I'm going to do it today. I'm in a business, and everybody out and about. Every Airbnb full of people that travel to Jamaica right now. Yeah, Airbnb are do good. Cause Christmas season, everybody are come. Everybody are celebrate happy. And just me locked up in the house. Yeah, me need some fresh air. Yeah, maybe I just need a little hug. Yeah. See, Danny gave me a hug. Yes, sometimes mommies, they need a hug too. They need little care as well.
Okay, so we come outside to go on this, so you take all year long and make rain start to fall. No, put in makeup. You could have got the store already and come back. What tired I got ugly? Are you looking somebody?
No, but I want to feel pretty.
See the pretty without makeup?
You want to feel pretty. Every woman wants to feel pretty.
Alright, pretty woman. So now we're stuck on the veranda. Who knows for how long? It's really rainy season. Mila, I could have gone and bought everything already, Swaggy. But you want some outside time, so let's get you some. When last you go outside? No, just Thursday.
Every time we go outside, you rush me and we can't even relax. Every time we go somewhere, you always Swaggy. Let's go.
Because I got places to go. Because we always got places to go.
I'm late to go to work.
I'm late for training.
I'm late to do this. And I'm tired of it.
Then learn to drive and go by yourself.
That me I go do. So
You've been saying that since 2018.
I go do that.
You need to take the car and drive go you want to go, so you can spend all day. Be brave.
That's why you couldn't
Spend all day looking at goods and fun.
Yeah, nothing wrong. At least you get your own time.
That's why you could have
Stay home and mommy can go, or she can drop me at work and I stay at work and wait for her to come back. Yeah, she can drop me in the morning and go all day on the road and come back for me in the evening.
If she don't,
You should just drive. You should just get brave and drive. But she's a punk. She's a punk. Mommy's afraid to drive. Get her driver's license and stay afraid.
I'm so scared.
And you want to steer, right? So you're really excited. Mommy's scared.
Mommy's scared.
Christmas is going down the drain. That's my mood. Down the drain. Christmas, sorry. That's how I'm feeling. On the stuck.
You know, so Mila stress you out every baby you have, and true you have. No, I'm saying Mila stress you out. You can't put her down. Nobody can help you. Even if you have Mila, when she start crying for you, you have to take her back. And that's stress you out.
I don't know. I just don't know. Maybe I'm not getting enough sleep. Maybe it's rain falling down. I don't know.
I'm paying mind now, guys.
I don't know.
I'm paying mind.
Rain is falling down.
Grandma don't want to come. Grandma is chilling. Grandma says she don't go walk. That mash up now.
I see the walker.
We cannot run so fast. Like it's not raining on the ground.
I have to make you guys into soldiers, so you have to run, come.
Oh my days, but I'm gonna get wet.
Here we are in the grocery convenience store. I feel so okay.
Buy some Coke.
Yeah, we're gonna grab something because you know how it goes. Tomorrow it will be extremely full, so we could buy something from today. So people them say for look to ensure for my mother to give a drink to help her with the gaining weight, something like that. Them say I forget for. But me not see that. Oh, see the we see something like that them have in Jamaica. I probably have to try it. Protein Ensure. Yeah, I need to try it. How much for them? How much for them? They don't even have no price on them. Follow the list, yeah man. Follow the list.
What's at the top? What's at the top? Come.
And I don't know. I'm going to try make some cornmeal for country style cornmeal. But I don't know how to make them things, you know. Never made it for myself. Should I try? Probably easy. Just Google it or YouTube it. Yeah, cornmeal. My take on make. What are you saying, Leo? Did we miss something? Yeah. We have to buy food because what about chicken? Yeah, we have to buy what about chicken? Breast. Yeah, we forgot them now have no breasts already. Yeah, so a lot of things already now on shelves. So chicken we are gonna eat. So me I go bake cake tomorrow probably. I may feel fit try the foreign flour. Hey, you know, well, I don't know. Uptone or regular one. Hey guys, you know everything for vegan and everything for people who need special care there in Jamaica. You know the one thing about it are the price. So yeah, my mother, she was looking the other day for some gluten-free baking flour, and this without GCT, you know. On GCT I go on it, well expensive little pack, and it's not a lot, you know. I just 624 grams. Yeah, and I know how long it can serve. Me I go try that too. I go try cause she not really she use oats for baking purposes, but it's a gluten free. I don't know. Yeah, everything there for people who need special care, but John Star, them things, them not cheap at all. I go make she try. See them have a sweet potato flour, cassava flour, breadcrumbs, gluten free. Breadcrumbs them have. No sir. Yeah, everything there. Come here, sir. Wow.
Wanna slide on the board?
You wanna slide? Telling us to Hello. Same old Devon house.
Daddy, don't forget spin.
Harold, I could get quarter. Danny, you know the song? This the season to be. What? To be what? Leah, sing. Harold, sing. Hey, jolly, la 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 la.
Hey, believe me.
La la la.
Something will take me like 10 minutes.
Doing that, Daniel. Stop putting your foot beside
Sure, gonna one of those, Swaggy?
or else I'll
I think so.
your foot back.
My youth.
Wait,
Sure. See that a five.
Stop,
they say we slow you down.
Brother, we take an hour to the country store. But me alone, we take 10 minutes. Everything out the store.
We're doing window shopping.
This one I use bathroom 2 times.
Yes, that's how it goes. Steven's family out and about. You see, we need to push that. We should have decorate house like the one.
The police think I have time for that. See,
Yeah.
You can decorate yourself.
Right. And a lie you tell, my brother. No lie you tell.
Rainbow flies.
What are you seeing?
Rainbow. I see like color flies.
But nobody now really OD this year. Our neighbors.
Lucky that-
Guys, we went down the road and picked up some fruit with my mom. We're gonna try it. We found this on the ground. Yeah, not people, them yard. Outside them yard. Not in other people yard. Yeah. And she even juke herself because it was laying near the juke bush. And I call it passion fruit. Passion fruit. Look at the way. First time she had to try it. Yeah. It is nice when your neighbors them grow fruit trees and just drops outside of them fence. Nice feeling, you know. So I didn't really Google if it's okay for people with diabetes, you know. But I hope so. Careful finger. You know, she's not careful at all, and I always tell her, be careful, be careful with yourself. She can't cut it. I'm not going to cut it for she because she can't cut it. See there, guys? Focus on it. In moderation. Consuming in moderation. It's most sore. Кисло.
Оно слегка кисловатое, сладко-кислый вкус.
She say it's sweet and sour.
Но вкусно.
But she likes it.
Сейчас я тебе дам.
I'm gonna eat one half. Yeah, man. Can't forget myself, you know.
Но очень вкусный, да, мне такой вкус как бы заходит. Но он, потому что он
This next one better. Because normally in Russia they have different color outside. They have like a dark red color on outside. But here in Jamaica they come in a different colors. This is yellow. But I've seen the one that's similar to our one. So I'm going to try the one. Because it looks better.
вкусный. Похоже, кстати, еще немножко вот на наш, к нам, когда везут ананасы из
Oh, she said it reminds her of pineapples in Russia. Cause pineapples in Russia they are sweet and sour because they don't really carry ripe pineapples to Russia because they go spoil on the road. They always carry pre-ripe pineapples, and you know sometimes they not get ripe, so that's how it tastes there. All right, enjoy. So here it is. Here is my preparations for baking. Yeah, because like I said, I'm baking this year. What you guys doing? Kicking ball? Chilling? Hey Mila, what's up? Mila is looking at me like rescue. Mommy, rescue me. No? Uh-huh.
You have some pepperoni. No.
Yeah, keep. Keep.
Как салат у тебя тоже остался.
Ooh.
It's raining tacos. Raining skies.
Alright, so what do you want to do?
You tell everybody want to hold.
My mom wants to hold Mila, and Leo wants to hold Mila. Who first?
Who give first? No,
Oh, you can give to Mila. No, give to Mila first. Oh, to Leo first. Mila. Mila's on my brain. Too much Mila is on my mind. No, hon.
Данечка, подожди, тебя сфотографируют сейчас.
Hold on. Let me snap it. Oh, you came on this again? Leo, let's watch it.
It's in my closet. Me already
I
moved
will
it.
try to hold her.
Careful.
No, wait.
Here, подбородком, Leo. Careful. It's okay, Leo. You like to hold Mila? No, don't put your chin on her head, because her head is still soft.
Mama, I'm going to say something to Dad.
What you gonna say?
Not tell you.
Tell me.
No.
Tell me now.
No.
Then don't say if you don't want to tell me. Then don't tell. Then don't say it. Game. I know what you think about.
Keep up your body, yeah.
I'm going to just get the game and I'm going to stretch out my
Тетка будет. Да.
My mom walks. Errol said she was planting. Ты уже посадила? Нет. Oh, she wants to plant.
Появляются через 10-15 дней. То есть их прикапывают.
She wants to plant here. So over there, guys, too. Mila. So I dig up.
Много. Ну потом я еще их полью.
See the guys, I have salad and I have a lonely tomato. That's it. And I have yellow, a whole bunch of yellow. Show you a little bit of the view. And somebody have burned something again. If you see it down there. Yep. In the community, somebody have burned. It's probably garbage. She shared the instruction first before she plants the seeds. Because some seeds, some of them have to go deeper than other seeds. Yeah, maybe with me I don't really read the instruction. I just bare seeds. Maybe that's why my seeds they don't come out. But should I read the instruction? Soon she will come out to drink a cup of coffee on the veranda and watch the sunset. That's what she does. That's what she loves. You know, in the morning she comes out with a cup of coffee to catch the sunrise, and in the evening she comes out with her cup of coffee or tea to catch the sunset. Every day, almost every day, if she's not busy. While kids are at football training, we're gonna load our Christmas tree with presents. So when they come home, they will be surprised. And maybe this year Danny and Leo will believe that Santa is real. Yeah. So right now I'm gone to play football. Yeah, they're all trains, boys. Christmas training session. So we're here with my mom and we're going to drop gifts under the tree. Not all for now, but we are going to start. I don't want boys to see how we do it. So my mom is helping me. And I'm looking at the window, making sure they don't come home and see what we're doing. No, not them. Neighbor's car making noise, but no, boys are not at home yet. Yep, perfect. Class. Yep. Leo, look under the tree. You know, Danny, Santiman came and left you gifts.
What?
But you cannot open it.
Open it?
No, you cannot open it. You need to wait on Christmas. But he told me to show you guys those. Yeah, and also he told me not to open it. Don't let you guys open it. Santiman.
Santa.
No, don't open it. Put it back. You have to put it back. Put it back. Put it back. You have to wait. When it's Christmas. Errol naman. Errol Naman. Errol Naman. Yes. Yes, but you cannot open. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Yay! Whoa! Errol, if you talk about it, we not talk. We not talk. We not aga talk about it. Errol, how was today? How was day today? Training was good. Here's a son, man, talking about them. Listen, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Errol. All right, time to eat. Well, wash your hands and let's eat. Yes, yes. Told you guys. He passed and dropped some gifts.
But if he
I was so surprised.
If he would have dropped some gifts, that means it would have be a hole up there.
The Caribbean Santa Claus.
Santa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Santa is not real.
You believe in Santa?
Something.
He is real. He passed. He knocked the door. Yes. I'm telling you. I had to open the door because we don't have a fireplace. But so he had to enter through the door. But he went and said, hey, listen, Swaggy, those gifts are for Leah and for Daniel. And I have one gift for a family. But don't open them right now. Wait until Christmas and then open them. That's what he said. That's what he told me. And I said, all right. I'm going to do that for sure.
That is not true. You buy those toys in your phone, and there was in the closet, and you take them and
My phone.
I wonder if it's a big seed.
All right. Make them believe in little fairy tales.
You never like when you go and find out your kid.
Fake.
You know what?
But then you can just...
When I was growing up and I found out it was fake, I never trust my parents them.
What is that?
Not about Santa Claus now. It's once you realize your parents them tell lie, you stop fully trust them. It wasn't Santa Claus for me, it was other things. Because we, Leah and Danny, mommy and daddy don't lie. Mommy and daddy tell truth and they believe everything that mommy and daddy. Once they realize you tell them one lie, they must assume say, you tell them lies.
Alright, that's your point of view.
I'm rather tell them the truth and it's earth more than lie to them. That way them go.
Yeah, but this is innocent lie. I mean, this is just an innocent lie.
That's the problem with mankind. Sin a sin, lie a lie. I never tell them a lie. I tell them Santa Claus, daddy buy a present.
Yeah, from the Bible point, you are right.
No, not from the Bible.
There's
Bible, yes.
Because you only have to believe in a God.
Everybody different.
Can't believe in a them something, but...
No, I'm telling you, I will not lie to them, but not tell them about Santa Claus. And that's just the one situation. There's other things I'm not going to lie to them about.
Alright, that's your point of view.
Yeah, so make Santa slide.
Alright, then we don't talk about it. Alright, stop talking about it. We don't talk about
But
it.
you know me already now.
Yeah, we don't talk anymore.
Mommy
Yeah,
and daddy
man.
that.
We don't talk anymore.
Mommy and daddy that. You think me already tell them about Santa Claus?
Yeah.